Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video is going to be an interesting one, very interactive. We're going to be talking about how to set up your Google Search Console and Google Analytics so that you can start to understand and see data about your website. So we're going to go into it to set it up in practical. I'm going to share my screen with you and we're going to go through it. So if you have your website with you and then you want to integrate Google Search Console and Google Analytics to better understand your data and how your website is performing, please open your website now. Open your computer and join me in this process. Yeah, if you don't know me, my name is Muritala Yusuf. I'm a digital marketing specialist here in Finland. And yes, so one thing we're going to do is we will need something. We need your Gmail to make sure that we are fully integrated into the Google stack, right? So make sure you have your Gmail open already. And then if you don't understand what Google Search Console is and what Google Analytics is, please watch the previous video I did. So without further ado, let's go into my computer and then we will start to explore how this is going to work. All right, now you can see that, I'm going to be using one of my WordPress websites. So this setup is going to be based on website that is built on WordPress. So if you don't have your website built on WordPress, it's still the same thing. So if you truly want me to actually do for maybe your particular platform that you use, maybe Shopify or other platform that builds website, please let me know in the comment. Otherwise, probably in the future I'm going to go into it again. So I'm going to be using this website that I own. So it's not yet live, so I'm just still experimenting with the design that I want to work with. So, and then the first thing we're going to do is to search for the login for Google Analytics. So the first thing we're going to set up is Google Analytics. So just stay with me, you will understand. So we're going to go to Google Analytics login. So, and we're going to just click it. So when you first open Google Analytics with your Gmail signed in, right? So you will see this information. So you just click get started, and then we will start to okay, this is a little bit okay, this is because I have actually integrated something already. So we have to go back and then yes. So now you can see that it has brought me back to the main flow. So one thing that you want to do here is, because I've tried to test one setup already. So we will go through our admin side of things. That is where you start from. And then you click account. So this is the place where you will set up, like for example, you have multiple websites or multiple projects you are working on, but this level is where you have everything specified, like naming it properly. So like for example, for the sample website we want to use, we will go with LXP brand. So, and then just don't change anything here, and you just need to go to the next one. And now the name of the website is where this property is, that level where you see the amount of website that is connected to that account, right? So you can have multiple accounts on your Google Analytics setup. So now we'll go to the property details. So here is, you want to make it descriptive, right? So that you understand anytime you're viewing a property, you understand this is the website that you are viewing. So now for this, we will go to we'll call it LXP review. Let's say, well, maybe .com. It doesn't matter actually. So I'm going to use we can use Finland as our home, so that we can change it to Euro, because this is important, because if you don't set this up, then, like for example, if you're in the Europe region, then it will actually be showing dollar in your dashboard later on when it's collecting data and all of those things. So we go to the next one, and then we want to choose the category that your website belongs to. So for this website, I will just choose computer and electronics, but probably that would be best for me. So yeah, so you have all of those ones. Then I will just choose computer and electronics. So, and then I will choose, well, we are medium. And then in this part of the project, you will see that it says choose your business objective. So this means like all of the things that you want Google Analytics to track, and it shows it clearly to you, right? So when you click like that, you will notice that these are the top 4 that you can choose from. But now when you click this get baseline report, you can see now it has covered all of the major objective that it's showing, right? So I would recommend that you go with that. So as a beginner, you don't want to go techie at all. You want to set it up and make sure that it's giving you the baseline report and objective. So this is where you click it. So, and then of course, you know what it is, you have to accept all of the terms and condition. So now this place is where we are going to connect our website, right? So we have the website, we don't have the Android app, we don't have the iOS app. So we are connecting website. So click on website, and this is where we will need our URL. So I'm going to grab the URL to this my website that we are testing, and then we will go back and paste it here. You can see, and then we can, oh, sorry about that. We will then go to name it. So LXP review. So, and then this option is like automatically checked, and then I will want you to leave it that way because it will make your life easier. So now let's go and see if everything is all right. You can see now it will dictate all of the views automatically. It will all of the scrolls. If people are scrolling through your website, it's going to show the inbound clicks, all of the clicks that go inside of your website, all of the buttons, everything. File download, if anybody download any of your PDF or any other format that you have on your website, it tracks everything. This is why Google Analytics is so important to have on your website. This is very important. So let's go. Let's create the stream. So now this is the process where it collects data, right, from website. So now it says we need to actually, verify our website. So we're going to now go to the instruction to implement the tag. So installing this tag, we have to go through this. So you see the instruction here. It says install with website builder and CMS. We are going to go to install the code on our website. So we are going to use the instruction right in here. So you can see it says installing with website builder. So you can click on it, and then it will direct you on how to to do it. But the simplest way that I found that I want you to do is we are going to install this manually, and then everything should be all right. So now we will copy this to one side and we go into our WordPress side of a thing. So to do this, you will need one plugin, and it's called the header and footer plugin. So you go into your WordPress onto the plugin side. So, and then you click add new plugin, and then we are going to search for header and footer. So once you click that, you will want to go with our WordPress insert header and footer custom code snippet WordPress code manager. This is trusted, and then you just want to install it and activate it. So now we have this one activated, and you will now see on the side, let's do some refresh. So you can see the code snippet, and then you will now click header and footer. So now let's go back to the other screen now. You see that it says below, below is the Google tag for this account. Copy and paste this code to every page of your website immediately after the header element. So this is what we are going to do. We copy it and then we get back. You can see this is the header part of the website. So any code you copy here will be all inserted on the pages, all of the pages on your website. So then Google can track them. So we paste it here and we save. So now we will go back, and then everything should be all fine. So that is it. And then in few moments, our data will start collecting. So continue to home. So that is how you set up your Google Analytics. So don't worry about this because it will take time for the website to start collecting data. So, but don't worry, everything will be, all sorted out, and you will start having everything, in place. So we can just quickly check if there's any message for us. All set, and that is it. Oh, you can see now it's already popping out that it's here. So, but it will start maybe in few hours. You will start to see that it's actually collecting data. Okay, so now we will now go and connect our website to Google Search Console. So you will see what I mean when we start to do that. It's the same with how we access the Google Analytics. So we can, for example, search on the internet, Google Search Console. So go Search Console login. So yes, so we can go in here. You can see now it says no property. So with that, you will now, I have some property here already, and it's all in here. So we will go to, okay, it's detecting this already. So, but we will go and add it again. So here you will want to come and grab your URL again because we are going to use it. So I hope you're following, and this is what we are going to do. You will see two options here once you get to this dashboard. So we go to URL prefix. This is much more better and accessible because you can determine which URL you want to submit to Google for your platform. So now we will copy our URL here, and then we'll click continue. You will see this is going to show some magic right now. So it says verify ownership, and this is the process that I wish that I wanted to show you, that we will have this verified with the Google Analytics account. So now you can see that we have other options. You can put the code HTML on your website. We are not going into anything tech. Direct, easy is what we want to achieve here. So then we go into Google Analytics. You can see now, it says your home must contain your either Analytics.js or GTag.js is what we already pasted in the WordPress dashboard area. So now we will click verify. Let's see if it does verify. Okay, it says it failed. We could not find the Google Analytics tracking code on the index page of your website. So now we will go back and check why this is not applicable, because I want us to do it directly. Not there. So it's quite interesting why it's not going through. So all right, but trust me, we are going to verify this today. We are going to verify it. So let's see once again. So we are going with this. Okay. All right. So without no stress, right? Let's use another option, because I wanted to also verify straight off. Well, I think it's not connecting properly yet. So let's copy the HTML tag and then go paste it at that same place where we pasted the Google Analytics code. So with this, I think it should work. So I wanted us to do it straightforward, in the sense that we get it verified straight from here with Google Analytics. So, but it's not working now. So with that, I'm not going to waste time with it. There's other option. You don't need to stress. And we go back to the code and then put this straight away. Yeah, so you can put multiple code here, just paste it here, and then we save, and then with this, I'm very sure it should verify. Oh. Okay, so this is now getting interesting. Okay, what I would do is I would take the website off from so I'll make it go live. This is interesting, but I think maybe that's the reason. So let's see. Woo! You can see it's quite interesting. This is interesting. So we are learning new things. So if you don't get your hand dirty, you will not learn. So I've never literally experienced this before, that I wanted to verify and it doesn't work. So because the website was offline, it was on coming soon. That is why that did not work. So the previous attempt should have made it actually work. So awesome. So now we are fully set up with our property. So now in the next few hours, you should already start seeing information in here. So with the proper integration of your website, we will need to now submit your site map. So we are going to submit our sitemap now so that we can start getting Google to understand what the content on the website is all about. So we will continue by pasting our URL slug here. So this is what you are going to paste here. I'm going to put the link, for you to copy directly from the description of this video. So don't worry about it. I'm going to give you proper documentation to use. So yes, so now we will submit this and we should have it confirmed. So now we have sent everything to Google, fully integrated Google Search Console and Google Analytics. So I hope this video has given you that integration process of your website with Google Search Console and Google Analytics. If you have found this video useful, please kindly hit the like button and subscribe, and then I will see you in the next video. Please remember, you always need to stay optimized. So I see you in the next video.